Ever feel like investing is a secret club with a velvet rope? You see these headlines about making money grow, but then you dive deeper and it's all about picking stocks, managing complex portfolios, and basically becoming a financial wizard overnight. Let's be honest, most of us don't have that kind of time or expertise. But what if I told you there was a way to invest your money without needing a PhD in finance? Enter robo-advisors, the new wave of investing platforms that make growing your wealth accessible to everyone. Today, we're focusing on a popular robo-advisor called Betterment, and specifically, how much you actually need to get started. So, ditch the velvet rope because with Betterment, anyone can be an investor. The beauty of Betterment, low minimums and automation. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room. How much money do you need to throw at Betterment to make it worthwhile? The good news is, Betterment boasts one of the lowest minimum investment requirements out there. We're talking no minimum for their basic digital plan. That's right, you can literally start with your spare change and watch it grow over time. Now, before you get too excited, there are some nuances to consider. The digital plan comes with a flat monthly fee of $4. This might not be ideal for someone just starting out with a tiny nest egg. However, if you're looking for a way to test the waters of investing without a huge commitment, it's a fantastic option. But wait, there's more. Betterment also offers a tiered fee structure based on your account balance. Once your investments reach $20,000, the fee automatically switches to a percentage of your assets, which is currently 0.25%. This means the more your money grows, the less you pay in fees, making it a very attractive option for long-term investors. Finding your Betterment fit, different plans for different needs. Here's the thing, Betterment isn't a one-size-fits-all platform. They offer different plans with varying features and fee structures to cater to your specific needs. Digital plan, free $20,000, perfect for beginners who want to dip their toes in with a low barrier to entry. Betterment, 0.25% on assets over $20,000. The core plan offering automated investing, tax-optimized portfolio management, and goal-setting tools. Betterment Plus, 0.4% on assets over $100,000. This plan adds human advisor consultations for those who want a more personalized approach alongside the automated features. Let's get real, how much should you actually invest? While Betterment's low minimums are fantastic, the real question is, how much should you actually be investing? This depends entirely on your individual circumstances. Here are some key factors to consider. Financial goals. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or that dream vacation? Knowing your goals will help determine your investment timeline and risk tolerance. Emergency fund. Before you even think about investing, make sure you have a fully funded emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Experts recommend having 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved up. Debt. High-interest debt can eat away at your investment returns. Focus on paying off high-interest debt before you start investing aggressively. Once you've considered these factors, you can start to determine a realistic amount to invest. Remember, consistency is key. Even a small amount invested regularly can grow significantly over time thanks to the power of compound interest. Betterment, making smart investing accessible. Whether you're a complete investing newbie or someone looking for a hands-off approach, Betterment offers a compelling option. Their low minimums and range of plans make it easy to get started and grow your wealth over time. Remember, it's not about having a massive lump sum to invest, it's about starting early and letting your money work for you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.